Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Then go to the volume section and to change ringtone volume we should slide to the left or to the right side ringtone volume panel. Also we can use the volume buttons to do that, but first be sure that this switcher is turned off to use volume keys to change the ringtone. And now by slide to the up or to the down volume button we also successfully change the ringtone volume. And also we can make it with a third way just by slide to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.